gotta catch a helicopter. So let's go. Birthday extended. It's like the nicest day out as well. Oh, this is gonna be so fun. We are running around trying to find this helicopter. This is fun because it feels like we're flying private. Found it. Tell our audience what you just told me about these older planes out here.
Yeah, CGNJ is one of the most mass-produced civilian aircraft of all time. It's one of the first gens of the Cessna. Most people learn how to fly on that.
Ooh, it's so
like-
small.
Yeah, from airline pilots, jet pilots, that's normally the thing you start with.
Do you recognize any of these over here?
They seem to be later generations of the same model.
So neat.
Yes, this one here, that's the one that they use for all the drug smuggling because it has a high passenger capacity. So they used to pack those suckers with cocaine and then like drop them on Clinton's estate.
There you go.
Yeah.
We are in a helicopter.